In today's tutorial, we're learning how to make this cool animated city in Canva. We're starting from a blank canvas with video format. Now I'm going to go to the elements and looking for City Park. Graphics see all.
Let me see what options we have.
I think this is good. Yes, it's quite good. But you see that this is a PNG image. In fact, we need to have a sky for our city. Click Background, Color. Click Color Wheel. And we apply a light blue color with color code A8E7E2. Resize it to fill the canvas. Now, let's add other elements. So go to Elements and look for Car. Check the animated box in the Filter section. And I'm going to select 3 different cars. I select this Roadster. I'll scale it down and put it here. I also select this hatchback. And I'll make it smaller. Position and send it below. I also select this passenger van. Flip and horizontal. I'll scale it down. I selecting the Roadster. Animate. And create an animation. Hold Shift and drag the object. You can increase or decrease the speed. And movement style should be steady. For objects or people, a steady style is the right choice. Go to Position and drag the van below. Select object that in this case is car. Animate. And create an animation. Hold Shift and drag the object. Adjust the speed.
Movement, steady.
Follow the same steps for the other object. Hope you're liking what you're seeing. If you do, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. A like on this video is always appreciated, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you know when new videos go live. For a more realistic look, some cars should have a low speed, while others should have a higher speed. Let's play it. Looks good. Now, let's add some other elements to make it for more real. I want a motorcycle to enter precisely at this point of the timeline indicator. Elements. And search for biking. I select this. Flip and horizontal. I'm shortening the layer's duration exactly to this point where I want the motorcycle to come in. Now we're going to apply animation as well. Animate and create an animation. Hold Shift and drag the object. It didn't move exactly straight, so I'll delete the path and then hold Shift and drag again. Let's play it. Let's also have a cyclist. Elements and I select this. Position. As you can see, the bike is on the motorbike, and I'll make it smaller. So arrange and backward. I'll also shorten the duration of the cyclist layer exactly at this point where the timeline is. We'll give it animation like the other objects. Let's play it. At this point, I'm going to add a person walking. So I'll go to the element and type walking. And select whichever one you want. I also shorten the duration of the layer. Position, layer, and send it below of the other layers. Animate, and create an animation. Hold Shift and drag the object. Let's see the preview. Alright, hope you're having a great time. If you are, please smash that subscribe button. A like would be super appreciated too, and make sure you hit that notification bell.